Shit, this oasis always clears my head.
Hey Jax, get over here.
So, how's it looking? Everybody ready?
Yeah, brother. I can't wait to see this go down.
Yeah, same here. I'm curious to hear what kind of song you guys came up with.
You guys talk too much. Just wait until you see us perform.
Alright, enough with the small talk. Let's get inside.
Hey Jax, you ready?
Yeah, of course, brother.
From the Bay to Los Santos, CCR, still riding. Old Harley in the driveway, rust on the frame, but the soul's still alive. Wyatt taught us how to build, how to bleed for the things we love inside. Long roads, cold nights, hands covered in oil and grime. Dreams made from broken steel, one piece at a time. Now the city knows the sound of them pipes when they roar. Every scar on the bike tell a story from before. We came from nothing, built it all from the ground. Every mile we rode, never turned around. Steel and dust, that's all we ever had. Brothers by our side, through the good and bad. Raise them up, let the engines cry. CCR forever, till the day we die. Steel and dust, hear the thunder roar. Choppers in the night, freedom in our soul. San Francisco rain, Los Santos sun, a long way from home, but the ride ain't done. Wayne and Choppy kept the vision alive, built a kingdom from a workshop, just trying to survive. Every wrench turn, every frame we weld, every lesson Wyatt taught us still fail. Even a chopper pass